Right, so this is going to be our Christmas tree this year because the Grinch here doesn't want me to put up a really good one. So we're going to put up this stupid thing. I just called her the Grinch that stole Christmas because that's what she is, the Grinch. So anyway, there's some legs. Goes down there. All right. Let's get this out. Of course, there's dirt on it. More stuff. Get it all out of here. This is pretty simple. You just gotta put these in here like that. One, two. Just make sure you put them in the right way. Three. See, like that. Last one. Four. All right, there we go. Bam, done. Base is complete. So, and now I just gotta figure out what hole goes where. I guess I should clean these off a little bit. So, she thinks that we need to plug it in, but I know this plug doesn't work. So. So there it is. We'll have to look at it from over here.
What was I getting? What was I getting? Oh, look how cool that is. That's so awesome.
You can't really see it, but